If you're on the hunt for a paddleboard that's compact, lightweight and versatile, the Fuel Kirra 10'4" stand-up paddleboard should definitely be on your radar. Whether you're starting out or already have experience, this board is perfect for calm lakes, winding rivers or even gentle ocean bays. It's designed to deliver a smooth, stable ride for anyone wanting to enjoy the water. The Kirra stands out for its slightly smaller size than other models, measuring a huge 315 centimeters long and 82 centimeters wide. This makes it more maneuverable, which is great for navigating those tidal waterways and turning with ease. Don't let this compact size fool you. It still has a huge weight capacity of up to 150 kilos. That means it's sturdy and supportive enough for most paddlers, whether you're traveling light or bringing along extra gear. So let's talk about setup, which is one of the easiest parts about using this stand-up paddleboard. So inside the bag, you'll find everything you need. The paddleboard, a 3-piece adjustable paddle, a high pressure pump and the slide-in center fin, an ankle leash, and even a repair kit for those just-in-case moments. Inflate the paddleboard to 15 psi using the included pump. It only takes a few minutes to get it ready. The recessed valve locks it securely so you don't have to worry about losing air while you're out in the water. What about the features that make the Kirra so enjoyable to use? First, there's a large EVA footpad, which provides a stable and slip-resistant surface even when wet. This gives you the confidence to paddle, stand, or even try yoga on the board. And then there's the front bungee cord, which is perfect for securing your essentials. Whether it's a dry bag, a pair of sandals, or a snack for your trip, everything stays secure and easy to reach. And the ankle leash attaches easily to the eyelet at the rear of the board. And let's not forget the center fin. It improves tracking and makes steering a whole lot easier, whether you're paddling through calm waters or mild currents. It simply slides in and locks into place. Overall, the Fuel Kirra 10'4" inflatable stand-up paddleboard is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile board. It's easy to transport, easy to set up, and packed with thoughtful features that make all your trips enjoyable. Whether you're exploring your local river or heading out for a day on the lake, this board here is ready to go wherever adventure takes you. Check it out at Anaconda and start making memories on the water.